each Silva cell is structurally independent from the adjacent Silva cell. So this allows the contractor to field fit around existing utilities.
So one of the many things people ask me when I'm out talking to people about Silva cells is, what about utilities? Pretty much anywhere you dig, you're going to come across utilities. But that's one of the advantages of the Silva cell. It's an independent unit, it's not connected laterally to the next cell, and that gives us so much flexibility in the field.
Contractors appreciate the Silva cell because it is an unconnected soil cell system. A soil cell system that is unconnected and flexible allows crew members to make field adjustments by rotating, shifting, or repositioning the Silva cell.
We can offer so much to the installation process that's not always apparent. We're not asking people to cut our system and break down the integrity of the system, because we have that flexibility within our unit. And that's probably one of the most advantageous things about installing the Silva cells. We can actually get the utilities to run through the Silva cells.
Gallant Avenue is in the district of North Vancouver. This street is being redone as part of their transportation upgrade, and they use Silva cells both to provide large volumes of uncompacted soil to support the new trees, but also to integrate stormwater. Deep-root Silva cells were chosen partially for this project because of their ability to be integrated into utilities due to the unconnected design of the Silva cell.
We had a lot of existing utilities that came into play. Some which we knew were here, some were not picked up for the survey. So having the flexibility that Deep-root provides us will allow for an ease of construction where we're able to use one or three of the modules to build up and work around existing utilities on the site.
The Gallant Street project, when they excavated, they found utilities that weren't on the drawings, and they were able to adjust the spacing between the Silva cells to ensure that they could fit everything in and still provide the soil volume and the stormwater management that was part of the original design.